Hi, I'm Steph Gaudreau from Stupid Easy Paleo, and today we're making my Amaze Balls recipe. This is super easy. So I decided to make this recipe because there is a similar type of treat that you can buy in the store. I was buying these from the store in these little packets, and I thought, you know what? This is ridiculous. I can figure out how to make these at home, and they're probably gonna be way cheaper. We start off with dry ingredients in the bowl, and that is blanched almond flour. But the almond flour is really fine and it's a nice light color and texture. So you wanna look for blanched almond flour that's had the skins removed. To that, we add some unsweetened shredded coconut and a pinch of sea salt. And we mix that up with our hands. And then to that, I add the wet ingredients. For this recipe, I used some raw local honey, but you could use maple syrup or any other liquid sweetener that you like. Then I added some coconut oil, and that really is the binder that helps all of this stick together. And then a little bit of vanilla extract, and that forms the base of the recipe. The really cool part is that you get to customize it with whatever flavors you like. So today, we added mini chocolate chips to make a chocolate chip sea salt version of these Amaze Balls. But in the past, I've also used matcha green tea powder. It's fun to take the dried strawberries that you get, the freeze-dried strawberries at the grocery store, blend them down in a food processor and add that. Super cool. They taste like a strawberry explosion. So you can really customize these with whatever flavors you like, spices, add-ins, and they're super easy. You just mix everything together, scoop it out, roll them out in balls, and you've got a perfect, simple treat. For the full recipe and tons more just like it, head over to my website, stupideasypaleo.com.